hello YouTubers! By the way, I'm YouTube's girlfriend, and this is Bubbles Firework. A really suckily animated thing, and yeah. I mean, there's like other animators out there who just flick through the pictures and stop and pause. And by the way, I'm only going to be saying a couple parts. So you have to pause and read the other parts on your own. Sorry, suckers. Well, except for the first and last pages. Yeah, I'm gonna be talking then, cause I don't have anything to do then. Sorry. My makeup. Then we could be on our way. Okay, see ya. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Bubbles? Crackle, crackle. Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house that's cards starting to fold in? You just gotta let your inner light just shine right through. You just gotta ignite the light, let it be bright, like in the 4th of July. OMG, 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 OMG. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. I'm on my colors burst. They make you go, oh, oh, oh. As you shoot across the sky, sky, sky. Love. Happy 4th of July is what that thing says. It took me a really long time just to get one letter done. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. 'Cause it's all inside of you, you, you. Bye. Wait for me. Okay, so maybe hey. Did Bubbles come here? Did you fall in love with her? No. By the way, your dress is too long. No. Boof! Don't know. The end. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna do a really short mini movie. Oh, you can't look at that. No. Welcome to Canada. Hi, Sonic. Thanks, Rainbow. No problem, sweetie cat. Okay, guys, by that you can obviously determine that I'm a really sucky animator. And, I'm gonna check it over and see if there's any parts I should skip and add. But I don't know how to do that yet. I'm not like the masters. Yet. I need to figure it out, because this is a freaking phone, people. This really sucks. Well, anyways, I'm YouTube's girlfriend right here, the blondie. And, I'm signing out today. Uh-oh.